Hey everyone, Coach Katie here. Welcome to Fit Forever. I am so excited to show you around the app so that you can get a feel for it, understand what everything looks like. And we are going to just type fit. Once we download it, you just type fit and it'll come up top left. It's that white box with the logo in there. I'm on an iPhone. Android may look just a tiny bit different on how you get to it. This is your home screen. I am showing this overview as if someone just joined the challenge that kicks off next week. So today is Monday, April 15th. I am recording this video as if you are joining the challenge April 22nd. If you're watching this in the future and you are joining a future challenge, you may be having a different date here, but right now this is for April 22nd. Home screen. We don't see anything scheduled right now because we are in a deload week with workouts. Today is Monday. These workouts, if you want to find some to do before the challenge kicks off next Monday, I will show you where to find those. But the rest of all of the Fit Forever members are in a deload week, so we do not work out vigorously in our deload week, and you'll learn more about that later on. So nothing scheduled means no workouts today that are purposefully scheduled for you. Those will start next Monday on April 22nd or whatever challenge date it is. You can click down to my challenges. I'm number one in the challenge right now. I'm the only person in here, and you can see how do you earn points in the challenge. Workout completed, daily habit completed, or personal best set. So if you do a workout, it automatically will give you 5 points. If you complete a daily habit, which I'll talk about in a different video, you'll get 30 points. A personal best set, meaning that this week you lifted 40 pounds, next week you lift 45 pounds. That's a personal best set. 20 pounds for that, or 20 points for that. Top back arrow gets us back to this screen. Any of your past challenges will be in here as well. Virtual classes, we will never have anything there at this time. In-person classes, same thing. Your groups, you probably are in the April Fit Forever group if you're watching this right now. Otherwise, you may have a different one. There's no activity yet, but you could say, hey, everyone, and you could introduce yourself here. There is a step in the coming days, it might be on this home page, on the thank you page, to introduce yourself in that group, but that's where you would go. You would just say, hey, introduce with what information I suggested that you introduce. You'll have an option to set up and connect a Fitbit or whatever wearable you have. And under my progress, your steps, your sleep, whatever you're tracking on that will show up. I don't have my account set up to that right now. How to track your metrics and habits, I will talk about that in a different video. And this is all of the information that will come from your wearable. Your achievements, you can just go see every achievement that you've ever had. This rocket, bottom left, gets you back to this home screen always. You can go to the calendar down here and see what is on the calendar coming up next Monday, April 22nd. If you want to get a head start, you can see what that looks like. You can also go back to the rocket, and at the top it says April 15th, 2024. You can take that right arrow and go all the way, and you can see the challenge next week and what that looks like. So next week, April 22nd, this is going to start, and you can skip ahead if you're a go-getter and you want to do that. This blue circle, that means it's a video that you need to watch. You'll watch this video right here, click that. The video, I think I need to upload that, so just hang tight. You can hit start now when you want to watch it, and just hit save when it's done. It's going to log as a workout. I know that's strange. It's just the way it's set up, so you can just hit start now, watch the video, and don't log workout stats at all. Tracking habits, all the orange-ish yellow circles are all your habits. That will be a different video, so stay tuned on that, and I'll explain habits at that point. But just so that you know where to find them. Rocket, again, it gets you back to your main page, but we can go back to today. It's the 15th. And workouts. If you want to start some workouts before the challenge kicks off next Monday and the actual Fit Forever programming launches for the 6-week cycle next Monday, you can come down here. You can do ab workouts, see how long they take. These are some booty band HIIT workouts. Full body workouts that are HIIT style, lower body HIIT style, upper body HIIT style. And then this is just if someone wanted to do just upper body, because I put this in here because we're going into shorts and tank top season. There is one lower body day, but these are upper body days that could help you just lean and tone out those shoulders and arms so that you look good in a tank top or t-shirt this summer. So you can click that, and these you can just do at any time that you want to. or you can hit schedule and you can add them to your calendar. These are machine exercises for this cycle down here, but the upper body, this one would be it is HIIT style, so it does have lower body as well, and I can get some more upper body in here in the coming days and weeks as well, and so you can find the combo HIIT upper body in there and just put them on your schedule if you want to. Otherwise, I will tell you every Monday that the challenge launches, a new workout cycle launches, and I suggest just do that workout cycle and call it good with that. But the kettlebell icon is all the extras, basically. Bottom 3 dots gets us to some main information about you and your profile. Rocket gets us back to the home screen. We're going to talk about how to track food in a different video, but this plus sign above your picture you can again find all the workout options. It's that same thing as the kettlebell down at the bottom. Activity, if you want to log an extra activity, you did a rowing workout today and you want to start that, you can log that there. Plus sign. Talk about logging food here in a minute. That's under meal. Appointment, you won't need that. Photos, that will be under the how to track habits and metrics video. And sleep, you can always track that as well if you want to. Last thing, down here with my picture where it has a 58 next to it, that's 58 messages that I have that are unread. I never log into my personal account, so that's why I have all these messages. You will get messages in the challenge occasionally. Specifically, you will get them on Sundays, as well as Tuesday is always a mindset video. So you can scroll through and you can see on the 22nd, we have tracking your food and kitchen clean out video. Week 1 mindset training. You can start this and watch that. I wouldn't skip ahead on the mindset trainings, but you can see then next Thursday we have some more videos with blue circles. But if you see down here with your picture, a number, like a 1, a 2, a 3, whatever that is, check these messages. That's where your weekly PDFs come through for the challenge and how you can find out information that I'm teaching you each week. That's where any mass message comes out to the group. I try not to overwhelm you or blow you up. And there's a system like every Sunday you get new info. So you can always check it Sunday or Monday, whichever day works. And then occasionally along the way, Wednesdays, we always have weekly wins. And there's a message in there telling you to go to the group and point out your wins to everybody and encourage each other. So just make sure that you click your picture down here. If you don't have a picture, it's just going to be a blank person. If there's a number there, that just means that you have some messages. The top bell icon has a little dot in it, and that's just you got added to the April Fit Forever group, or just in general notifications. Things are meant to not overwhelm you. I know exactly how busy you are. I'm that busy as well, so I've built this out to make it make sense for you. If you have any questions, always check the FAQ back on that thank you page. And that came to you in a text message. It's where this to-do list is that you're watching this video from. Always check the FAQ there first. And if you don't find your answer there, click April Fit Forever or whatever group it is. Tag me. That's fine. You can just, I think this is my trainer profile. Question. And then if you put a heart, it's easier for me to see people are asking me specific questions. Anytime that you get an answer back from me or I need to tell the group something as a whole, it will say at everyone. And I think as a client, you cannot do at everyone, but I am able to from my side. It will say at everyone. Whoops, not the sad face. We're not sad. Fire emoji. And then I will write a message. If you ever see fire emojis, make sure you go read those messages. If you are not doing the challenge and you're watching this video, there's another group called Fit Forever Fitness, which everybody will have access to, even if you're in the challenge. That is your group to ask questions, things like that. Fit Forever Fitness, it will be right here next to my groups. And any other way that maybe in the future I tell you, you can ask me questions. But those two groups are our main groups, and I cannot wait to see you kick off soon, and cannot wait to see you reach your goals and where you go from here. All right.